Weather moving in as we speak and then going to last for the next few days. It does warm up later in the week. I think we'll scrape that 80-degree mark toward Thursday and Friday. It looks like we may have some rain returning on schedule for next weekend. St. Patrick's Day is a little up in the air. I'll show you what we do know about it in a second. But right now we're enjoying the cooler, drier kind of part of the weekend after all that rain yesterday. Beautiful sky, very interesting with a lot of clouds mixing with that kind of golden glow. Temperatures right now in the 60s, and we're cooling down into the 50s later on this evening. Our winds from the north a touch breezy. So if you do have plans for this evening, we're going to keep some clouds around and our temperatures will be getting into the 50s. So jackets, coats probably needed if you're heading out. We do have those clouds still over us. No rain though anymore. And you can see by 10 p.m. we'll be just barely around 60 and then heading off into the 50s. This is south of the lake. Now, north of the lake, we're looking overnight for some 40s. So a pretty chilly start for those of you north of Lake Pontchartrain. In New Orleans and around south of the lake areas, we'll be in the lower 50s. And we'll keep some clouds tonight, although they should diminish during the day tomorrow. Overnight temperatures early on your Sunday morning. Here we are. Again, it's been a little bit since we've seen these 40s and 50s. So a chilly feel for early tomorrow plans. And of course, we also have our daylight saving time change tonight. So we will spring ahead 1 hour at 2 a.m. tonight. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:16 a.m. and sunset 7:07 p.m. So the big change happening tonight. Tomorrow, temperatures make it to 60s for highs, but really not much more than about 66, 68, something like that. Our Sunday forecast, you can see, keeps some clouds in place, but I think we'll also have breaks of sunshine too. So we'll say a mix of sun and clouds. And tomorrow evening, chilly once again, 60s falling into the 50s. Looking ahead at our high temperature forecast, all we'll see is some surface high pressure moving off to the east of us at the beginning of the week. So Monday, we stay cool. Tuesday, we make it to around 70. And then again, by Thursday and Friday, we're nearing 80. And next weekend, it looks like Saturday at least will be close to 80 as well. Let me show you a really quick look also at next weekend. Now we're several days out, a whole week out, so this could change a little bit, but at least one model and actually the other model too, the big global models do have some rain on Friday for us. This one has a bit more than the other one. And then a front may move in on Saturday or Sunday. So the models right now do keep rain around on Saturday, and then they are split on St. Patrick's Day. So we'll have to see, the timing not perfect yet. But I would say for the rain Q&A, although a couple of spotty showers will be possible Wednesday and Thursday, it's mainly Friday into the weekend that we're expecting our next significant rain. Again, one model, the Euro, has us dry and cool on St. Patrick's Day. The GFS model, the one I just showed you, keeps rain around on St. Patrick's Day. So keep an eye on the forecast. We will let you know as we get closer and get a better idea. How much? Well, there are indications there could be maybe another 2+ inches of rain collectively from Friday through the weekend, and maybe a couple of strong storms as well. So this would be a setup like we had the rain, of course, yesterday. On Friday, we may have another round of these showers and storms for next weekend. So there's your 7-day forecast. Again, tomorrow just staying in the 60s. Look at Monday. It actually looks very similar for the morning, and Tuesday as well. We will still be looking at 40s north and lower 50s south of the lake for the morning. So a couple of jacket or coat mornings coming up at this point in March. And then as we get into Wednesday, we're back to middle 70s. Looks like a nice day Wednesday, but a slight chance of rain, particularly in the morning and maybe especially north of the lake with a little disturbance. And then Thursday, a 30% chance for spotty showers with that rain chance increasing toward the weekend.